The Eurostudent Conference is taking place in Berlin during these days. We are looking forward to participate in the panels, discussions and workshops centered around the social dimension. The social dimension is an issue student movement has pushed forward on the agenda of the Bologna Process continuously during the last years.
Students and prospective students are still facing obstacles when it comes to studying. Questions of access to higher education, housing and funding are still an impediment, especially for students with minority backgrounds.
Although one of the main goals of the Bologna Process is diversifying the student population, it remains largely homogeneous. Additionally, students in Europe are facing commodification and economization tendencies. They are also affected by mental health issues in large numbers.
However, we are concerned about present elitist tendencies in our higher education system. We are curious how the ministerial conference in May in Paris will propose to solve these mounting problems.
Education is a right for everyone. Education is a human right. Therefore, we fight for free and open access to higher education for everyone.